Redwood tree slide. It's gonna be intense. Just like the tree, it's gonna be big. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. You know, there's a lot of banana slugs around this park, and I'm really feeling like one now. Oh my God. Working those glutes. Oh my God. Here we're going to visit the Eternal Treehouse, so follow me. I'll give you the tour. This is the pathway. This is the English ivy, although we're in California. Watch your step. We got some rocks here. There we go. This is caution. You want to be cautious. And come on through. Low door. Watch yourselves. Duck down. And here we go. We are literally deep inside an old tree. This is the Eternal Treehouse. Not much to do inside here besides brag. And I mean, I guess we could hug it. I guess we could do that. Not much of a hug.
There we go. All right.
How did you go down like that? So your dress?
Maybe.
Every time I go on slides, you get the really fun experience.